Hi, Marv Curtis again. Today, let's talk a little more about how to reduce chronic pain in fibromyalgia. This can also apply to other chronic pain situations. Recently, a woman with fibromyalgia told me this. Okay, so I accept that my chronic pain is connected with my past stressful emotions, but thinking happy thoughts just isn't going to make my pain go away. And she's right. Happy thoughts won't make your pain go away. Happy thoughts just continue to hold that stress in and probably make your pain worse. To make the pain go away, you have to release the stress. Now, there are three schools of thought on how to do this. First, there is the conventional medical perspective. It says that fibromyalgia is a complex nervous system disorder and pain is a major symptom. In this view, the nerves have become very sensitized over time by repeated triggering, and after time, don't return to normal. Under this condition, pain can be triggered with very low stimulation. Second, there is the psycho-spiritual perspective. It believes physical and emotional pain is obstructed spiritual energy, reflected as body pain. Highly sensitive people who are unable to express their true self in a harsh environment may respond by becoming ill in order to have peace and significance. Third is the energy psychology perspective. This is based on energy meridians used in acupuncture. When energy in these meridians becomes unbalanced, usually by emotions such as anger, fear, and sadness, the flow of energy is disrupted. This disruption can show up as pain. Fibromyalgia could be thought of as an interruption in someone's electrical system, usually resulting from stressful emotions. What these three descriptions have in common is that something is altering the free flow of energy in the mind-body system. Fibromyalgia is baffling to many medical doctors because it doesn't respond predictably to traditional Western treatment. Recent research has documented success in relieving pain by focusing on both spiritual energy and energy meridians using a variety of techniques. Some of the exciting findings are that this relief can be achieved in a relatively short amount of time and can provide relief that lasts. In my practice, I employ multiple rapid pain relief strategies. Usually, a dramatic relief can occur right away. Let me know if you are ever interested in discussing how this might work in your situation. The first visit is free, and of course, there's no obligation. Check the links below to schedule an appointment or to connect on Facebook for ongoing free information. Thanks for watching.